Unlike oil-based varnish, water-based varnish dries clear and stays clear, so it won't yellow or darken over time. It dries much quicker than oil-based options, often within 1-2 hours per coat, making it great for projects where time matters. Water-based varnishes produce very little smell, making them more comfortable to apply indoors without heavy ventilation. You can clean brushes and spills with soap and water instead of harsh solvents like paint thinner. They generally release fewer VOCs, volatile organic compounds, which makes them safer for both the user and the environment. While still protective, water-based varnish doesn't provide quite the same heavy-duty resistance to scratches, heat, and chemicals as oil-based. Perfect for light-colored woods or painted doors where you want to preserve the original color without ambering. Each coat goes on thinner, so you often need 3-4 coats for the same protection that 2 coats of oil-based would provide. Comes in matte, satin, semi-gloss, and gloss, so you can tailor the door's look to your style. Because of its clarity and lower durability against weather, water-based varnish is generally better for indoor doors rather than exterior ones exposed to the elements. You can varnish your door yourself, but why bother when you can contact your local Door Renew? They'll do it for you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.